Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Recently I have bench tested the new Dalprop Fold 5-inch foldable propellers, and today in this quick video I'm going to give you my initial feedback after testing them out and also announce a new giveaway which is kindly sponsored by Foxeer. First of all, as you can see, these propellers are no longer in pristine condition, and that's because I had to abuse them a little bit in order to answer some of your questions. First question, how do they handle turtle mode? And the answer is okay, depending on the surface where you land, or probably actually crash. For example, in this test, it took me a couple of tries to succeed, and on long grass, I didn't encounter any issues. As for flying characteristics, first of all, I must tell you that I'm not a propeller expert, and I only flew this quadcopter a couple of times using these propellers. However, I can tell you that the flights were relatively smooth, and the prop wash seemed to be very minimal. In my tests, I also deliberately bumped into objects in order to check if the propellers are going to fold mid-air and cause the quadcopter to crash, and I'm glad to tell you that it seems like the centrifugal force is very strong, and it didn't happen, so the propellers pretty much behaved like normal ones. In addition, in one of my crashes, the battery fell off the drone, and even though the battery leads were blocking the propellers, they weren't damaged when trying to flip it over, so these propellers seem to be safer than normal ones. It also seems like, as expected, when using these propellers, your drone is going to be less likely to get stuck on trees. And finally, in terms of durability, even though I did torture these propellers, I think that they are less durable than normal ones, and even though they didn't completely shatter, I don't recommend flying a drone when the propellers are in this shape. So my suggestion, since I like these propellers and they only cost $4 for a set, is to get 2 sets of these propellers and see for yourself if you like them or not. As for the giveaway, 3 of you lucky subscribers are going to win 5 sets each of these foldable propellers, which are going to be sent to the winners directly by Foxeer/Dalprop. And in order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel and leave a single comment on this video. I am going to announce the winners in one of my next videos next month, so make sure to turn on the notifications bell so in case you are the winner, you're not going to miss out. I'm going to wrap up this video with some flight footage, and as always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and I also would like to thank Foxeer for sponsoring this giveaway. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.